how to become a driver in Lyft, or in other words, how you can apply to become a Lyft driver. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from the Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll show you how to apply to become a Lyft driver. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now download the Lyft app and create an account if necessary, and tap on the three bars, then select the option called Drive with Lyft, which is basically at the bottom left. Now fill in your email address and your location. Once you do so, fill out the rest of the online application by following the prompts. And the company says that this part should take less than 10 minutes to complete, and the background checks on the other hand can take weeks to process depending on your location. So keep that in mind if you're looking for fast cash. If you pass the application stage and background checks, you may have to schedule an appointment at a Lyft certified inspection center to make sure that your vehicle meets the company's requirements and is road ready. And according to Lyft, this requirement is dependent on your location. If you get delayed during the approval request, you can always check the status of your application at lyft.com/drivers. And that's all it takes to apply to become a Lyft driver. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.